New and used RV sales are at a record high. If you don't get an inspection, you may end up paying for things twice. This is Howard with the NRVIA, and this is what to expect when inspecting. The RV is brand new. It doesn't need an inspection. There's nothing wrong with it. The dealer will take care of it, right? And it's under warranty. Should be no problem. What do I need an inspection for? Well, I can tell you folks, the RV industry has been booming. We all know that. The manufacturers are pumping those things out of Elkhart as fast as they can. About 80% of that build happens at the manufacturer. The rest is supposed to happen at the dealership. The problem is they're too busy. So there's going to be things that are going to not be done right. There's little things, little annoyances, nothing. Sometimes it's minor. It could be cabinets and sealant separations and paint flaws and things like that. It can be major, like a propane leak right from the factory. 37% of RVs that were inspected for FEMA initiatives had propane leaks right from the factory. So this could be life safety issues. Just because it's new doesn't mean it doesn't need an inspection. Howard and Pam just bought a new RV a number of months ago. We inspected it ourselves. We kept that RV at the dealership for another 2 weeks, and it had already gone through the 200-point PDI inspection. And the next day after we signed the paperwork on that, it went right back to that same technician, that master technician, and he had to spend more time with that unit, another 5 hours to fix some of those things that we already addressed. The rest of the issues had to go back to Tiffin in Red Bay, Alabama to get that corrected. So, is that new RV just because it's new? Does that mean it doesn't need to be inspected? Absolutely not. You know what? It needs to be inspected just as much as that used RV. So, let an NRVI inspector help you when making that buying decision on that new RV. If you'd like to find a certified NRVIA inspector, you can go to nrvia.org and locate one there. If you'd like to become an inspector, please visit nrvta.com, click on programs to learn more.